Welcome to Beginnings. Today, let's explore over 50 amazing fruits together. Get ready to see, learn, and enjoy. Apple, mango, banana, orange, grape, pineapple, durian, papaya, pear, peach, plum, pomegranate, kiwi, cherry, watermelon, apricot, Jackfruit, Guava, avocado, fig, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, elderberry, cranberry, gooseberry, star gooseberry, mangosteen, cantaloupe, passion fruit, soursop, starfruit, persimmon, pomelo, rambutan, noni fruit, tamarind, manila tamarind, longan, lemon, lime, sapodilla, jamon, grapefruit, olive, Asian pear, black currant, red currant, custard apple, ice apple, rose apple, cashew apple, wood apple, honeydew, date. Thanks for joining us on this fruity adventure. So many flavors, textures, and colors to enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beginnings for more fun videos. See you next time.